This video is sort of a follow-up to the one I made about the Webb Adder by Charles Webb. I wanted to show two other Webb-style added machines so as to compare. That's the carry of Webb's first version, which didn't match the patent. Of course, the whole device didn't match the patent either. My first Webb-style added machine is probably a Lightning calculator built by the Bookkeeper Publishing Company. I think that Bookkeeper made a licensed version. It can be hard to tell, but from the lack of markings on mine and the pattern on the back, I'm pretty sure it's a Lightning. The cover plate on it is a bit chintzy. It flexes according to how tightly you screw the screws. It uses Webb's third iteration of a carry from 1889. I think my third device is a Webb Adder. It says the adder right on it, and it has those little hands pointing at the zero, although I've been fooled before. It doesn't say Webb's name anywhere on it, nor does it have any patent information. It has a unique third register that I've not seen on other images. It adds one at a time, which might have been helpful to keep track of which column the user was on. Unfortunately, the lever on the back stuck out, which meant that the device wasn't able to lay flat on a table. This version uses Webb's second iteration of a carry. So there's a quick view at 3 different Webb Adder versions. Thanks for watching.